Hi all, my name is Santosh and welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Uh, in this video I will show you how to download Visual Studio Code and how to set up the coding environment. And in coding setups, we need two things. The first one is code editors, and the second one is compiler. In editors, we download Visual Studio Codes, and compilers we download MinGW. So go to the Chrome browsers and download from here VS Code install to write a code, and click here. And now, as per the our operating systems, it is automatically recommends which versions and what types of operating systems are we using, and as per the operating system it will suggest to download. So I'm using Windows, so I will click here, and it will automatically download is showing here. It is downloaded. uh, and the second one is we have to download MinGW. Download even you write download download. So this is the first links display here, and click the first link, and sourceforge.net, and you can click here to download MinGW. This is the compilers we have to download. Shortly will be downloaded. It is VS Code is downloaded now. So now install the VS Code. So click here and read the agreement file and click on accept and the agreement. Now next, this is the path where this VS Code is installed, and click on next. And VS Code, at least you have to, the last option will be have to check. And you can also create a desktop icons if you click here. So I will click here. Now next, and install it. It takes some time, and the all packages and the files will be installed VS Code. And now go to the other compilers, MinGW, install it, and click on install directory and continue. It takes some time. It installing or downloading all the packages, installment manager, which are required for compilation process. So we can launch it. You can see here. This is the environment of Visual Studio Code, VS Code. Now you can add and download the extension file. Oops. C++ IntelliSense. I've already installed, so I will uninstall, and I will show you how to install it. So install it. And the second one is code runner. We have to require code runners. It's also installed. I will install it and install this once again. It is also installed. Code runner. Why we use code runners? It will show the play buttons, run buttons over here. So now let's go to the MinGW. Now click and close the file. Now open, and this icon is used to create a new file, and this icon is used to create a new folder. So now let's go to the Now continue. Now the file and packages are displaying here. You can see here. Will enlarge it. So these are the packages. So sometimes we use C language, sometimes we use Fortran and object oriented and C++. So we can check all the mark all the packages. So you can right click and mark for installation all, even it takes a long time. After marking it, you have to go to installation tab button and apply changes. And now okay to proceed. The package changes items itemized below will be implemented when you choose apply. So now click on apply. It takes some time. So we can create here. I'll be back. All changes were applied successfully. Successfully installed. All changes were applied successfully. Now you may now close these dialogs. Close dialog automatically when you activate. Now close it and also close it. Now go to the C drive, C, and click here. Now MinGW is installed here successfully. Click here and we have to copy the path bin. So now select it. Select here and right click, copy it, or you can press Ctrl C over here. And we have to go the control panel. Control panel. Control panel, and go to the systems and click on systems and go to the advanced setting systems and click on environment variables and go to the path. Where is path is here, and edit it and add a new environment variables. Now click on new and copy paste the path where I had copied from there. Bin files will be copied here. Why we use it? Because our computer knows in everywhere from the we can access our code from command prompt and PowerShells. So we use bin. We add bin the files. All the files included are all the files whatever they are in bin folders, we copy it here and press enter and okay. Now we click here. Now come and just like we can create a file. We can create a file just like demo.cpp. This is the our files. Now once we close it and we once again open VS Code. Correct. So we write a code. We write a demo code over here. Suppose include IO stream using name std include into main file return. So we use this is the syntax or skeleton of the CPP programming. So we write here a subdemo cout hello world. We have to you end it by this colon semicolon. Now you can print from here. Click here and run the code. Oops, return 0 we have to write here. I forgot, sorry. We can create in 3 dots. Sometimes it will not be here. It is hided. So play button will be here. You can click just like a you can create. No, you can create here. Run code. Now hello world will be printed. Now you can see here our console hello world will be printed. You can access it. Our VS Code install folder where it is in our desktop files. So go to the desktop. So first of all use cmd command and command prompt and go to the our path files of desktop. We have created a folder VS Code install. Now let's go here and we can compile what files, what will be the output, and demo dot cpp, and we write -o and we write a name from where the executed file created. Now we can create here and our executed file will be created by run.exe. Now we can run here. Wow, it's great. Now hello world, the output our executed file prints. The our program is compiled successfully and it will print the hello world. So guys, we have installed the VS Code install and setup. We install MinGW compilers and we also set up their packages and software will be installed and extensions of the VS Code and we write a code for practices here and hereafter we will practice many more problem and solve the C++ language.